Okay. First of all, thank you for this session, which is very informative. I think this is very helpful for us since we're using traditional security tools and we're exploring on the more complex tools like the SIEM. So this is very informative, and the information on what type of threats are what we must be focusing on. So that is very helpful because right now we're working on the bottom of the pyramid. So I think we need to do the automation on that. So I think that's the best topic that from this session.